we have hungry Lisa, hungry me, and hungry Mikey filming. So we wanted to show that we use up all our leftovers.
Yeah, during this time of quarantine,
Especially
we don't want to waste food.
No.
So we made risotto the other day,
last night.
Today we're gonna make arancini, which are rice balls.
Right.
So we have leftover risotto and we have homemade breadcrumbs.
Right, don't throw out your bread, just put it in a paper bag, let it dry, and then just grind it up, and you have your own breadcrumbs.
Flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs.
Plus, we're going to cut mozzarella into little pieces and put it inside. So very simple and very delicious at the same time.
Little trick, the way to take eggshells out of the egg is use the shell itself to take it out.
Okay, Luch just came in from his bike ride. He will be starving.
Cut the mozzarella into tiny pieces like this.
Okay, let's go with me.
And then you want to beat the eggs a little bit so they're mixed. We're using 2 eggs for the moment.
And we're not going to make them too big.
Okay, while we're making them into rice balls, we're going to heat the oil. How much oil?
And that's a light olive oil for frying. You don't want anything too heavy because it'll burn.
That much. So a clove of garlic and we'll turn it on. To high?
Yeah, because we want to heat it up, but we don't want it to burn, so keep watching. Okay, I think we talked about this when we were making the eggplant parm or something. It's important, I think, to stay organized and calm. We want to prepare as much as we can so that the frying process goes smoothly. So we are making the balls first, then we are going to prepare them in the coating, and then we're going to fry them. Got it? Okay, now we're going to put some salt and pepper and a little bit of oregano in the breadcrumbs. Oh, the olive oil is heating up, and we have a piece of garlic in there. So we do the flour first, then the egg, just so that the egg sticks to the flour.
Okay, so you want to take the piece of garlic out so it doesn't burn. And then we can start putting in.
That's okay.
I'm going to switch with Mom, and she is going to do the frying because it scares me. And you want to keep turning them.
They don't need long either because it's already cooked.
When you run out, add more.
Great job.
Thanks.
Oh.
Just being nice.
No. I was going to say what we had for breakfast. We had a carb fest today. Okay, I'm taking the broken one off so you can't see it.